Creating your very own digital products, no matter what niche or industry you're in, is one of the very most profitable things that you can do online. Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Now, are you creating your own digital products? Because you should be. This whole world has gotten drastically different in the last, month or so even. New software, new programs have been released that make this way easier. I'll tell you, we started offering our very first digital products year and a half ago-ish, and it was a huge undertaking. We actually hired a coach for an entire year to help us get it set up, and there was a ton of integrations and technical stuff involved. We had to move to Infusionsoft and membership site stuff, and it was very, very complicated and very technical. Now, that is why I typically wouldn't previously have recommended creating your own digital products for the average Joe who wants to make money online. But that has now changed. There is software available to you that makes this super, super simple. So if you're really passionate about dogs, you could do a training on how to potty train your dog or how to do obedience training at home. Or if you're a homeschooling mom who just rocks that world, you could do a training series teaching moms and dads how to get started with homeschooling. If you're learning social media marketing and you want to share what you've learned, that's great. Teach people how to get their very first followers on Instagram, how to generate their first lead, how to grow their subscribers on YouTube, create content, whatever. But you can create these digital courses. And yes, it takes time up front to set them up, to create the videos, whatever the course is on. However, it's like printing money after that point. It's essentially almost 100% profit. You can sell it over and over again through ads on Facebook, YouTube ads, through your organic traffic on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, your blog. You can make a lot of money with digital products. So what changed? What made it easier? Well, let me dive into my computer here and show you. Now on my screen, I have pulled up My Lead System Pro. My Lead System Pro. We are huge fans of My Lead System Pro before this even hit because it has great training to teach you digital marketing, social media marketing, content marketing. It has done for you lead magnets and giveaways plus customizable capture pages, a CRM, customer management system, which is like a database that you can document with your leads and different things on, and it will host your blog. So anyone who's building an online business, a digital business, they've always been a really great option. Now, what just was released recently has changed the game because they are now allowing you access to their software so that you can create your very own digital products and membership sites through their system. And it's not complicated at all. Now, truth be told, Todd did all of the setup for our business when we launched our own products, right? He's done all of it. I've never touched it like once. He'd start talking and it'd go over my head. And I'm not a non-techie person. I'm decent, right? But he handled it because he's super techie and he just ran with it. I have no idea how to do this stuff. I jumped in here this weekend just over some free time. I created our very first course. It is super simple so that someone who's not super techie but can navigate a computer decent, you can do this. Swear, you can do this. So I love what they're doing here. I'm going to show you a little bit about how this works, but essentially, if you have their professional level membership or above, you get access to the Business Center. And with the Business Center, you can now offer one-time purchase products. So people could purchase, a $27, a $297, a $1,000 course, whatever price point you have your product at, you can offer that as a one-time purchase. They also allow you to set up payment plans. So say it is a $997 course, well, you could break that up into 3 payment plans, whatever you want to do. So they allow for payment plans. They also allow for membership sites with ongoing subscriptions. So people get, ongoing access to you or to your training or whatever it is for so much per month. That's great. They allow you to do that with this Business Center. This integrates with your email autoresponder systems. It integrates with Zoom. It integrates with your payment processor with Stripe, and it makes it so simple. Not even kidding. They've got basic tutorial stuff that's actually easy to read. One thing that I hate about going through and doing when I have to do the tech stuff and Todd doesn't do it for me, it's like they speak a different language and they expect you just to understand what they're saying. Well, I found this not to be the case. When I actually went through their help documents just to make sure I understood the terminology that was being used, it was in layman's terms. It was stuff that I could actually understand, and that makes me excited because this is something that normal people can do. You don't have to be a tech marketing genius to set up your own course now. You can come in here, create it, set it up, and you're good to go. So let me break it down. There's, I think, 3 basic processes that you're going to go through when you're setting this up. First off, any integrations that you want to set up. So say you have a active campaign, it's the email autoresponder system that we love. Our link's down in the description. If you're looking for one, they're the best. So integrate your email autoresponder. You set that up in your integrations, legal policies, return policies, all that kind of stuff. You do want to set up as well and connect your merchant processor. So you want to go to Stripe. It's typically the easiest one to get started with. Go to Stripe and set up a payment processor account with Stripe so that they can like charge the credit cards for you essentially. Once you have those one-time fundamental stuff, when you have that done, then you can go ahead and start making your course. So you click on this asset manager and you go to the course manager, and here is where you can start creating your course. So I have something that I'm actually going to be releasing this week. So stay tuned on our email list if you're on it so you can see what's happening. But this is awesome. You go in, you can edit, and it's just click. It's like if you can click and you can type and you can navigate a computer, you can set this up. So you're going to upload the video to YouTube, Vimeo, wherever you're hosting your videos, upload it to there, and then you come in here and you create the course. You're just plugging in the video URLs, you're embedding it essentially into the website, and you're good. When you have the course created, you can go over to Product Offer Manager, and this is where you're actually going to set up the payment. So you know how they're going to charge for it, what payment options you have, if it's a two-time payment option, a single payment option, whatever you have, you do that all right here. Once you have that, you go to their checkout manager, and here you work on the actual checkout funnel essentially. So the actual page where they're going to put in their name, information, their credit card, that all, you know, that's the main page you're going to check out with. But you can super easily create an order bump where they can just check a box to add something to their cart. And then you can have an upsell page after that to make even more sales. Another really cool thing about what they're offering is that they're allowing you to get your own affiliates. So what's better than making your own sales and selling your own products? Getting other people to make your sales and sell your products for you. So you can do that. You can offer whatever percentage, you know, 30, 50%, whatever you want for your affiliates, and so that they can go promote your products and you just sit home and make money. It's awesome. They allow you to set all of that up through their affiliate manager. So this is a super robust system that really puts it down at super simple, like very basic level, that very non-techie people are able to come in here, set it up, get rolling, and get started. I've only played with this for a couple hours, and I've got a course that I'm launching this week, right? It's set to go. I just have to release it. This is very simple and a great introduction, really just a great way to open this door to creating your own digital products, no matter how far you are along in your journey. I'm gonna have the top link in the description be for our affiliate link for My Lead System Pro. If you are looking, if you're serious about wanting to create income online, you can easily throw together a digital course. Even if you start with something simple like a $7 course, that's okay. You can start with something simple and work your way upward, but click that link, top link in the description, to get access to My Lead System Pro. You can try it out for $10 for 10 days before it goes to the monthly subscription. And honestly, we absolutely love the program. I love what they're doing here, allowing people to create their own membership site, sell their own products, and really opening the door to a whole new world of people who couldn't have managed all of the integrations and stuff previously. Now, they also have a lot of other great stuff in their system, and we've been affiliates, the top affiliates for them for over a year. We absolutely love them and everything that they're doing and the heart and the soul of the company and where they're going. So you can click the link, top link in the description, to check it out more in detail and get access to your $10 trial. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if this is the very first video you're seeing of ours, guess what? You gotta subscribe. Hit that subscribe button so that we can help you create that time freedom. Once again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Head over to this next video, watch this one next, and I'll see you soon.